Now, since we talk about calligraphy, we talk about words. So maybe the first thing that you need to search is quotes, poetry, any kind of literature that you can use in your artwork. What I usually do is I use a pencil and go through like a list of quotes or anything that I find interesting, and try to just visualize the letters and the words and see if there's any artistic or compositional or visual relationship between the words themselves. Now, of course, the meaning has to be also good to support that, but my first interest will be in the actual shape of the words. And when I find like a good or potential nice composition in any quote, in any set of words, I then try to just develop that and flesh it out until it reaches like the final stage as a composition, as a sketch / composition, before I move later on to develop it or actually making it into a painting. So I think that you need to work with pencil. Pencil is much better than anything else when you do like quick sketches and thumbnails. Or you can use also like a small calligraphy pens, fountain pens with a chiseled nib. They also help a lot. And just scribble, just do whatever that comes to your mind. Try to explore the words, the letters, extensions of letters, different shapes of each letter. And that will give you sometimes many ideas for the piece or the quote that you are working on, or even for future pieces as well.